Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alamosa Park, home of the Hawks in Oceanside, California. This is my third visit to their school for the after-school program. They're part of the Vista Unified School District, and we've always focused on positive character traits. Today's focus was on bullying and looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you look at your best friend. And right here they have the acronym. I really love this on their board outside the main office, and it says Go Hawks, part of the school rules. We really focused on this K today, kindness and courtesy count, right? And this is where students soar, right? And the way that we rise is by lifting others, right? That we can really show that compassion, that empathy, and that kindness to really start to raise people up even higher than ourselves. We talk about that our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? One finger's ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself. And this peace sign, it's 2 because just in 2 seconds, right? 1, 2, we can say or do something so kind that it lifts someone up high as the clouds for the rest of their life, stays on their heart forever. Or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can say something so negative that it could actually destroy a life. And when we start to think about that, and the impact that we have with our actions, bullying is something that's repeated, it's over and over again, it's on purpose, trying to gain power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions can still have that same effect, right? So we have to be so conscious of what we say, what we do, knowing that we can always choose love, always, choose kindness. And a big concept that I push is that hurt people, but healed people heal people. And so we always have that choice. And for these young students to understand that life lesson at such a young age is huge, right? And I'm so honored to keep coming back and, build on what we've talked about in the past. And we keep taking it up a level. We've built that rapport. And so through a series of interactive exercises, some really powerful, heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some positive music, that's how I'm really able to hit their hearts, and they always remember that. Sometimes I say, your heart is the only thing that people want to remember you for or will remember you for, but only if you're doing actions that are supporting others, right? If we're part of that Hawk motto and pledge and make that promise and commitment in our hearts to just always show love. I also, in all my assemblies, bring up this, that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? I trace one of mine here with washable marker, and with the lines of our hands, we have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy, just like the front of my shirt here, that we're all true miracles and worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, right? Because so many people don't believe that or never been told that or they've forgotten that. And we need to always be that reminder, right? We can let our hearts shine and our light shine and help other people soar too. So thanks so much for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. I'll be seeing you again in a few weeks. But until then, just keep showing that love that we know you're capable of. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.